We got this really cool 911 Targa in for a full restoration detail. The objective from the client was very simple: try and turn the car into a time capsule and travel back 40 years. The full restoration detail is a tedious process for us to properly nerd out on our craft. A full comprehensive approach to clean, polish and protect literally everything. A cool fact: this car has had only one owner up until earlier this year, which is pretty amazing after 40 years. Thanks for watching. Visit our website www.cultureautomotive.co.za. Cheers.